Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
For those of you who are new here, my name is Abdel, professional chef and culinary teacher. And for today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make pizza bagels. And as usual, we're gonna make these. We're going to be using bagels for this recipe, as well as tomato sauce and mozzarella.
I like mozzarella.
And during the session, you'll also get a choice of toppings like bell peppers, baby spinach, red onions, and shredded chicken. Now let me show you how a pizza bagel is prepared. First, you cut the bagel in half. Place it on a plate. Next, we spread tomato sauce onto the two halves, like so. Next, we add in our choice of toppings. For me personally, I'm choosing shredded chicken, and baby spinach.
We got bicycle riders out there. I think that's so awesome.
Then we add in and we sprinkle in the mozzarella. Next, we bring our pizza bagels to a baking tray. And place it in the oven. So, set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let it bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, our pizza bagels are done. Now we'll remove it from the oven. I don't think that's for this one. Take our tongs and remove the pizza bagel tabs from the plate. that's how we make some delicious pizza bagels. No, no,